Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to set up a Firestick on your Sony TV. Let's get started. Begin by connecting the USB power cable to your Firestick. Attach the other end to the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. You can also use your TV's USB port for power, but using a wall outlet is recommended for better performance. Next, plug the Firestick into an available HDMI port on your Sony TV. If there isn't enough space around the HDMI area, you can use the HDMI extender that comes in the box. Now insert the batteries into the Alexa voice remote. Turn on your Sony TV and press the Input or Source button on your TV remote. Choose the HDMI port where the Firestick is connected. Once selected, the Fire TV setup screen will appear. Press the Home button on the Firestick remote and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi, sign in to your Amazon account, and complete the setup process. That's how you install and set up a Firestick on a Sony TV. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.